I wasted an entire week because I built this thing backwards and I let the whole room spiral. I got frustrated, so I stopped. And when I stopped, everything else stopped too. If you're new here or didn't catch that live, a week ago I was putting this dresser together and the instructions weren't very clear. So I had the legs on opposite sides and then the two brackets right there in the middle were also on opposite sides. So I got frustrated during the live. I cut the live off and I didn't touch this thing for a week. And this was very important to do because, I did it yesterday, because this is what we're doing today. So all of this we put in here because it had shelves and we didn't have anywhere else to put this stuff. But then now we don't have anywhere to put our linen. And because Lexi is, when Lexi got her job, when she first went to this company, they gave her a free 10 by 10 storage, which we're pretty sure we're no longer going to have. So we got to get our stuff out and we need as much space as possible to put that stuff in there. And not that there's a lot of stuff, but we only have a 1-bedroom apartment, so it makes it really tight. So that's what we're doing today, is all of this. That's a fitted sheet. We don't even struggle with those. And then these are towels. If I'm not mistaken, subscriber got us those. And I wish you can feel, like we had it on our Amazon wish list. I wish you can feel like how soft these are. And then the cool thing is that they have hooks, which are kind of pain in the ass. You gotta represent, right? I want to put this up. Maybe like in that corner over there. So before we wrap this video and pretend we all have our lives completely together, go ahead and smash the like and subscribe button. It helps the channel stick around for another video. And if you're feeling extra supportive, check the links below. Now show this video some love because nobody wants to leave on a cliffhanger. Okay, get ready to see it? Alright, so I reorganized my desk. Lexi got those cool little tower like plug-in things. So those were cool, and they also have like USB ports, so I can plug stuff in directly. As a matter of fact, I could probably let's see. Hold on, I can't get rid of all of them, but I can move some of that stuff from there to there. But And then I moved my CPAP machine because it was plugged in right there. Every night I had to get up out of the bed and plug it back in because throughout the day I would like be stepping over it and it would fall out. But and then here's the dresser. So socks, and then this drawer's Lexi. So this drawer, these are her like underclothes stuff. I'm not gonna open that, you know, dignity. But those 3 drawers are hers, and then this drawer is hers, and then those 2 are mine. And the reason why I did it that way is because she has more stuff that she folds, and a lot of my stuff I hang up. So like, even like I said, like my shirts like this, like I'm gonna get some hangers and hang those up. And then, so this is what this looks like here, which is cool because I thought the dresser was gonna cover the show and it didn't. And then yeah, so the sneaker rack, that for right now, that's where we're sticking that. The rack, the thing won't close because her purse is too big. And then that's her pajamas, what she wears when she gets home. And I wanted to put our flag up. It's not how I wanted to put it. I wanted to put it sideways, but it was too long. And then, so then I'll show you this closet again. So that stuff, I don't have nowhere to put that. Like the drawer, we would need another dresser. And I don't know if we even have space for another dresser. So maybe if we put it like another one right here, but then that would be cluttered. So I'm not sure. Or maybe where her display is, and then we put those in the closet, but then that defeats the purpose. But then, all right, so actually these are clean, so I can fold those. I don't know why I didn't fold those, but this is like our hand towel for the bathroom. We usually keep this like we usually keep that like on the door of the cabinet, but every time we go into the cabinet, it falls. This towel is Harley's. Harley has her own designated towel when we give her a bath. All right, and then this right here. Okay, so when we get more hangers, this spot right here and this spot right here are gonna go away. Like, that's gonna get hung up. So we just need more hangers. I don't have any. And then towels. And then right there, those are fitted sheets. Don't judge me, because whatever. I don't fight with fitted sheets. And then that's it. So then we have space at the bottom. And then voila. So this is what the whole room looks like. Okay, so it is now 3:44, and I have a couple hours before I gotta start cooking. So I'm finna lay on my ass and relax until like it's time to go because I'm tired. Sometimes it's not about motivation. It's just about coming back and finishing it.